You've seen plenty of beautiful packaging out there for products that retail $300, $400, $500, where they've created custom materials, have all these different print processes applied to the packaging, just beautiful, sharp, crisp corners on it. But what do you do when your product retails for $10 and you've got a minimal budget on packaging? How do you create smart, intelligent packaging? That's what we're going to talk about today on Get Unboxed. My name is Belio Matos, packaging designer, and recently I purchased a new phone. I needed to get a new case. So today we're going to talk about Smartish. These guys have phone cases, a variety of colors for a variety of phones. But beyond the product itself, what struck me and what got me super stoked on this was the fact that this packaging is dirt cheap. This isn't the most innovative packaging by any means, but this packaging delivers a killer unboxing experience. It's everything you want in your packaging. So if you haven't picked up this case, if you haven't dealt with this brand, I suggest you go spend the $10, pick this up, and investigate the packaging, because this is how you do packaging. So taking a look at the pack from the outside, you've got Smartish in a light blue and a dark blue, and those are the only two colors that are printed on the outside of this box. Everything else is a label. This is one label that wraps all the way around and comes up the back with the barcode. Keeps it really clean, really simple. This is probably being hand applied, which is, it takes a little bit more time. It might cost a little bit more on the fulfillment side, but from a packaging manufacturing standpoint, this is a killer solution for anybody that's got products under $10. It gives you a lot of flexibility. If the product changes, all you're doing is changing a label, which is nothing. The copywriting on this is is a lot of fun. It's something that I would have loved to have been a part of, which I wasn't, but I mean, it's just a lot of fun. Did I say it's fun? I said like 10 times. When you turn it around, instead of having some kind of a cherry lock or some kind of a tab to seal this, they've got this little tab here. You've got this open sesame, which you pull, and I'm going to show you that again. You pull, and it raises this flap, right? So it opens the box for you, which is pretty cool. One other thing you'll notice is that this box doesn't have dust flaps. These little minor flaps on the side that tuck in. It's a $10 product. It's a phone case. If dust gets in there, whatever. You pull the open sesame tab, you lift it, it opens the box, it pulls this out, gives you Wallet Slayer Volume 1. It's the first round. Take this out, nothing left here. Turn it around, products here. Comes with a sticker. But then on the inside, this little tray. It's a really smart tray. There's like one little glue flap down here where this folds over and glues. So the full unboxing. The front, the back, open sesame. Raise this, slide this out. Got a sticker. We've got this. We've got that. QR code. And the product. They've even gone as far as to place a credit card sized graphic in here. We slide this out. Dyno approved. Again, just some smart ass comment. On the back, the barcode again. Review this baby on Amazon. One, it's showing me how the product fits in here, how easy it slides out, but also it's got another call to action. Don't be afraid to ask consumers to do something for you. Again, Smartish, smartest packaging I've seen for a product that's less than $10.